In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to use Semrush to rank higher on Google. We'll walk through the essential reports, what each metric means, and how to turn the data into actions that improve your visibility. Start by logging into semrush.com. Once you're in, head to Domain Overview, enter your domain and press Enter. This gives you a snapshot of your site's search health. Look at the authority score to gauge overall domain strength based on backlinks, trust, and other signals. Check organic traffic to see the estimated number of monthly visits coming from Google's non-paid results. Review referring domains, which shows how many unique websites link to you, and backlinks, the total number of links pointing at your pages. Together, these metrics help you understand how strong your site appears to search engines and where you might need to improve. While you're in Domain Overview, scroll to the top Organic Keywords section. This reveals the keywords bringing in the most traffic. Note which pages rank well, the positions they hold, and the search intent. These are your proven performers and can guide which topics to double down on and which pages to refresh for quick wins. Next, go to Keyword Overview. Enter your target keywords and click Search. Review volume to understand how many people search the term each month. Check keyword difficulty, which estimates how hard it is to rank. Lower numbers generally mean easier opportunities. Look at intent to confirm whether the keyword is informational, navigational, or transactional, and make sure it aligns with your page's purpose. Finally, scan the top SERP results to see who currently ranks and what type of content Google favors. If the top results are in-depth guides, for example, a thin page won't compete well. Now check backlinks. Review your total backlinks and referring domains again in more detail. Quality and relevance matter more than sheer quantity, so aim to attract links from reputable related sites. Consistent growth across diverse domains is a positive signal. Explore keyword ideas or keyword variations to expand your topic list. Look for closely related terms, synonyms, and longer tail versions that match your audience's intent. These can help you build comprehensive content that captures more searches. Finally, apply the insights. Optimize pages around high-volume, low-difficulty keywords by aligning titles, headings, and on-page copy to the exact phrases users search. Improve internal linking by connecting related pages and using descriptive anchor text, helping both users and search engines navigate your site. Update content to better match intent and cover closely related variations you discovered. That's it. Use these Semrush reports regularly, refine your targets, and watch your rankings improve.